Hey guys, over the course of the next 3 weeks, I'm gonna share 3 quick and easy air fryer recipes with you, all using my Ninja AF100 air fryer. So today, I'm gonna be making delicious jerk chicken wings. So let's get started. So to make these jerk chicken wings, you're going to need some jerk seasoning. I used this mild Jamaican jerk seasoning made by Grace. They sell it at Walmart. I'm sure they sell it at Publix and Kroger, but you can definitely get it at Walmart because that's where I got mine. So these wings have to be prepped the night before, so I'm gonna show you how I did that.
First, chop some fresh garlic and add it to a bowl with 2 tablespoons of your jerk seasoning and then any other dry seasonings you'd like to add. I've listed mine here. Then add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix it all together to create your marinade. So I put a little bit of a marinade on each of the wings and then brush it in with a pastry brush. So then I add it to a big bowl so that I can just mix it together and make sure that the seasoning gets on all of the wings. So once your wings are nice and covered, let them marinate overnight.
So now I've taken my wings out of the refrigerator and they've marinated overnight. You're going to want to let them sit for about 20 minutes before you put them in the air fryer, just so that they don't go in freezing cold. All right, so now it's time to air fry. So first we're gonna preheat our air fryer to 390 for about 3 minutes. So now spray your basket with a little bit of cooking oil. And then put your wings in. And you don't want to overcrowd your basket, so you may have to cook them in 2 batches. All right, so now we're gonna set our timer to 22 minutes. And then we'll need to flip our wings halfway through. While our wings are in the air fryer, we're gonna make a tasty citrus dipping sauce.
To make your sauce, mix together 3 tablespoons of orange marmalade, 3 tablespoons of P.F. Chang's mango sweet and sour sauce, they have it at Walmart, 1 tablespoon of apricot jam, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice.
It's been 11 minutes and we're halfway through our 22-minute cooking time. Our wings are looking good. We're gonna flip them over. We're gonna put them back in and let them finish cooking. So when your wings come out of the air fryer, they're gonna look a little bit charred, but don't worry because that's just the jerk seasoning, so you didn't burn them or anything. That's all that is, okay? So now we're going to make a delicious barbecue jerk sauce to brush on top of our wings. I'm using 1/4 cup of this honey barbecue sweet baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and then a teaspoon of the same jerk seasoning that I used in the beginning. So you're gonna mix that together, and now we're gonna brush our wings lightly, both sides, to make sure that we get the sauce on it. And you want to brush them while your wings are still hot so that your jerk barbecue sauce can kind of just soak right into them. And there you have it, my tasty jerk chicken wings. The step-by-step directions and all of the ingredients I used will be listed in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week with another demo.